Hi everyone, Kenneth Perry here from the Microsoft Surface team, and today I'm excited to welcome you to the unboxing of the all-new Surface Pro for Business 12-inch, the lightest and most versatile Copilot Plus PC ever created. Designed by Microsoft to elevate productivity and creativity, this device is powered by the advanced Snapdragon X Plus processor. Let's dive in and see what makes this Surface Pro truly exceptional. The paper-based packaging is compact and thoughtfully designed, incorporating up to 75% recycled materials, which is part of Microsoft's commitment to sustainability. On the exterior of the box includes printed serial numbers and barcodes, making it easy to identify product type and color for streamlined inventory management. So, who wants to open the box and see what's inside? I do. To open the box, use a box cutter or scissors. Only one strip of tape is needed to secure it, so just slice right here. As we open the box, the first thing we're greeted with is the Surface Pro, neatly covered in a soft, protective material, which adds a premium feel to the unboxing experience. Let's see what else is inside the box. Next, we've got the USB-C charging cable. Pretty standard, but always handy to have. Then there's the Surface 45-watt USB-C wall charger. Just a heads up, only available in select markets. Not every configuration includes this wall charger. You also have the adapter that connects to the wall charger. You also find a quick start guide to help you get set up quickly. And finally, there's the usual safety and warranty paperwork. Not the most exciting part, but definitely important. Let's go back and remove the device from its covering. This is the Surface Pro for Business 12-inch. You immediately feel how light and sleek it is. Its compact and ultra-slim design makes it both portable and elegant at the same time. The aluminum casing resists fingerprints and smudges while offering a premium, cool-to-feel touch. The power and volume buttons are located on the top left of the device, consistent with the Surface Pro 13-inch. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, this ultra-versatile 2-in-1 is designed for mobility, allowing you to be productive wherever work and learning takes place. The stunning 12-inch PixelSense touch display features anti-reflective technology, making it easy to use in any lighting condition. Whether you are using touch or pen, navigating Windows 11 Pro without a keyboard is seamless. And with the thin, uniform bezels and rounded corners, the Surface Pro is easy to hold as a tablet in landscape or portrait orientation. And on the right side, the Surface Pro is equipped with 2 USB-C ports that enable fast charging, quick data transfer, seamless connectivity up to 2 external 4K displays at 60 Hz each. Along the bottom of the device, you'll find a 5-pin keyboard connector, allowing the Surface Pro to magnetically attach to the Surface keyboard effortlessly. This device allows you to sign in instantly and securely without a password, using an integrated NFC reader or Windows Hello with facial recognition, which can help you prevent phishing and credential-based attacks. And for video calls, the full HD enhanced studio camera and dual microphones ensure crystal clear visuals and sound. Whether you're collaborating or presenting, this device has you covered. Now check out the rear-facing camera that provides 4K video that's now relocated to a more ergonomic position for easier landscape or portrait use. We also have integrated pen storage with charging directly on the device. I will talk more about this later. And what's a Surface Pro without the iconic kickstand? It allows you to switch seamlessly between modes up to 165 degrees. Beneath the kickstand is a conveniently placed QR code, allowing IT administrators and asset managers to quickly access the device's serial number. This makes asset management easier and reduces manual entry errors. Now, let's talk keyboards. Paired with the new Surface Pro 12-inch keyboard This device enables smooth transitions between modes and ergonomic postures, helping users stay productive anywhere. So let's open the box. It's easy to open, no tools needed. Simply just pull the tab. Pull the tab and open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Surface Pro 12-inch keyboard, which transforms the Surface Pro into a full-fledged laptop with a stable and durable design. And here's the Surface Slim Pen that's wrapped in this paper-based cover, which can be securely stored and wirelessly charged on the chassis of the Surface Pro. It's perfect for natural handwriting and sketching. The Surface Pro 12-inch keyboard is exclusively designed for this model, featuring a smooth matte finish, Alcantara back, and full-size backlit key set, also available in bold key set version. There's even a dedicated Copilot key for instant access to AI tools, and a lock key for security. Attaching the keyboard is seamless, thanks to the dynamic hinge and unique connector. The pen snaps magnetically on the back of the device for wireless charging and secure storage, always ready for note-taking, sketching, and marking of documents. And there you have it, the Surface Pro for Business 12-inch, a Copilot Plus PC that's built for the real-world flexibility. Ideal for frontline work and active classrooms. Lightweight yet powerful, it adapts to how you want to work, with pen, touch, voice, and keyboard, all boosted by intelligent built-in AI. Whether you're leading a team or taking notes in class, this device keeps up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more from Surface for Business.